welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have another bump box to show you guys, so if you want to see what I got this month then just keep watching. So here's the box. This is a third trimester box. My husband did get the full 9 months for me back at Christmas, so I think I only have like 1 or 2 more boxes left. I can't remember which one this is. I think it's like my 7th box if I'm not mistaken, maybe 8th, I'm not sure. But yeah, I am currently 33 and a half weeks pregnant, and this I think they do kind of go by like what trimester you're in and try to tailor it to that trimester. So let's see what I got this month. I've already seen, but I'm going to show you. So the little card says, "Let the nesting begin." And I really need to be finishing up his nursery. I have everything, I just need to organize it all and wash it all and put it away. First thing I'm pulling out, which I recognize because I almost bought this on Grove yesterday. I'm so glad I didn't because I forgot I got it in my box. This is the Grab Green Newborn Baby Laundry Detergent Pods. This is for 0 to 4 months. And it says, formulated to remove formula in breast milk, spit up, and diaper disasters. Powder pods, naturally derived, and there are 30 in here. And these are, works for all temperatures, specifically formulated for HE and standard machines. It says squeeze and sniff here for fragrance. That's cool. Yeah, so this is just like an all-natural baby laundry detergent. And it's wonderful because I need to wash all the things that I just got at my baby shower last weekend. The animal testing, made in the USA. More than 94% naturally derived ingredients. To protect your family, we developed our powder pods to contain 4 layers of safety. Simple white powder pods don't look like irresistible colorful candy. Extremely bitter tasting Bitrex outer film. Made with naturally derived ingredients. Powder pods are difficult to swallow. Interesting. Yeah, there's that. I'm pulling out is the snack. These are the Lesser Evil grain-free paleo puffs, and these are USDA organic with Himalayan pink salt, certified paleo, vegan, grain-free, and non-GMO. And it says it's made with organic cassava root, coconut, sweet potato, Himalayan sea salt, and nutrient-dense coconut oil. A healthy little snack. Next, I'm pulling out this Glow Organics Charcoal Organic Face and Body Soap, activated charcoal and organic coconut oil. Gorgeous on the outside, healthy on the inside. Give your skin the detox it needs. Formulated with purifying activated charcoal, this bar soap is one of nature's strongest antiseptics. Wave goodbye to dirt and grime and hello to unclogged pores. And I've gotten something from this brand in almost every single box, I believe, if not every box. And everything I've gotten from them I really liked, so must be pretty good. Next, this is To Go Spa. Smells funny. Eyes, coconut and vitamin D eyes, the sunshine mask, aka wake me up before you go. 3 under eye treatments, collagens, amino acid, and vitamins. Paraben dye free. Says you just apply the pads below your eyes for 15 to 20 minutes, remove and discard. Feels great, looks great. Perfect for anyone with a face. Here's what they look like. This is something for baby. This is the belly sticker book, and it says just snap and share. Includes 48 stickers. Like this one, it says I can sit up. Here, I'll just scroll through them real quick. It's like their months and milestones and holidays and things like that. It's pretty cute. Last thing, this is not put together, but this is the Berkeley Green Baby Baby Multi-Surface Cleaner, free of dyes and perfumes, born in nature, perfected by science. And this is vegan and cruelty-free, made in the USA, 100% recyclable, uses a proprietary blend of plant-based surfactants, free from harsh fumes, fragrances, dyes, phosphates, phthalates, bleach, formaldehyde, GMOs, and gluten. Non-toxic formula screened for carcinogens, mutagens, caustics, developmental toxins. Hypoallergenic, biodegradable, and pH balance. Plus, giving back. 10% of profits are invested back into the community for charitable missions. Find out more at berkeleygreen.com. This is great for all hard, non-porous surfaces, nursery, high chair, toys, etc. No rinse required. Penetrates and emulsifies dirt, grease, crayons, markers, dried, Play-Doh, fingerprints, and germs. Spray directly on surface and wipe clean. Test before use for painted surfaces. So I'm going to tell you the prices of everything. The Matty Brett laundry pods, or the Grab Green, were $14.88. It says a baby skin safe detergent packed into easy use pods. We know you want to do everything to protect your newborn skin. This detergent is dye, enzyme free, and baby skin approved. Those new super cute baby clothes can contain chemicals from the production process. Make sure to wash baby's clothes before they arrive to ensure they're clean. The charcoal soap was $7.99. The Berkeley Green Baby Multi-Surface Cleaner was $6.99. The belly sticker book was $11.95. And the to-go spa eyes were $15. So this box was worth $56.81. I'll leave my link below if you want to get a bump box for yourself or someone you know who is expecting. You can get 1 month all the way up to 12 months, and you can get a discount if you use my referral link below on your first box, on your first order. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again. Talk to you later. Bye.